Hey guys, and welcome to this video on the core principles from The Richest Man in Babylon by George Clason. This is a great book, and by many it is considered to be the financial Bible of the world. The author wrote this book with the intentions of spreading some of the biggest secrets that our richest ancestors held. And this book teaches how easy it is to make money, keep money that is due to you, and then turn that money that you make into even more money. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys the key teachings of this book and how you can implement it in your day-to-day life as an investor, whether you're starting right now, just learning how to invest, or you're an experienced investor and want to touch up on some of your knowledge and expand your portfolio and learn how to make wealth for yourself. And if you want to help others, be sure to share this video because we're all trying to get better and improve our lives here on this channel. And you can always help someone by sharing content like this that's life-affirming, life-giving, and wealth-bringing. So with no further ado, let's dive into the core principles taught in The Richest Man in Babylon. Hope you guys enjoy it. The first principle in the book is start thy purse to fattening. This principle teaches us that we must save at least 10% of our income and put it aside for investment purposes. The idea behind this principle is that we should always pay ourselves first before we pay anyone else. This means that we should prioritize our own financial goals before we spend money on other things. The importance of this principle cannot be overstated. Saving a portion of your income is the first step towards building wealth. By putting aside money for investment purposes, you're setting yourself up for financial success in the long run. This principle is especially important for the average investor who may not have a large sum of money to invest right away. By consistently saving and investing just 10% of your income, you can grow your wealth to fortunes over time. The second principle of this book is control thy expenditures. This principle teaches us to be mindful of our spending and to avoid unnecessary expenses. The idea behind this principle is that we should live within our means and avoid debt. The importance of this principle is that it helps us to avoid financial stress and to live a more fulfilling life. By controlling our expenses, we can focus on the things that truly matter to us, such as our family, friends, and hobbies. This principle is especially important for the average investor who may not have a lot of disposable income. By living within your means, you can avoid debt and save money for investment purposes. The third principle is make thy gold multiply. This principle teaches us to invest our money wisely and to seek out opportunities for growth. The idea behind this principle is that we should not let our money sit idle, but instead put it to work for us. The importance of this principle cannot be overstated. Investing your money is key to building wealth over time. By seeking out opportunities for growth, you can increase your net worth and achieve your financial goals. This principle is especially important for the average investor who may not have a lot of experience with investing. By learning about different investment options and seeking out professional guidance, you can make informed decisions about how to grow your wealth. The fourth principle in this book is guard thy treasure from loss. This principle teaches us to protect our investments and to avoid unnecessary risks. The idea behind this principle is that we should be cautious with our money and to avoid investments that are too risky or speculative. The importance of this principle is that it helps us to preserve our wealth and avoid financial setbacks. By being cautious with our investments, we can avoid losing money and jeopardizing our financial future. This principle is especially important for the average investor who may not have a lot of experience with investing. By seeking out professional guidance and doing your own research, you can make informed decisions about how to protect your investments. The fifth principle of the book is make of thy dwelling a profitable investment. This principle teaches us to view our home as an investment and to take steps to increase its value. The idea behind this principle is that our home is one of our most important assets and we should take care of it accordingly. The importance of this principle is that it helps us to build wealth over time and to achieve our financial goals. By taking steps to increase the value of our home, we can build equity and increase our net worth. This principle is especially important for the average investor who may not have a lot of disposable income. By making smart decisions about our home, we can turn it into a valuable asset that can help us achieve financial success. So there you have it, guys, the core principles of The Richest Man in Babylon by George Clason. By following these principles, you can improve your financial life and build wealth over time. Just to recap, remember to start thy purse to fattening, meaning putting aside 10% of our income, control thy expenditures, which teaches you to be mindful of your spending and avoid unnecessary expenses, make thy gold multiply, which basically teaches us to invest our money wisely and to seek out opportunities for growth like investing in the stock market or an ETF. Guard thy treasure from loss, which means basically pretty much what it says right there. You want to guard it from loss. You don't want to risk your money in any risky assets or take advice from someone that doesn't know what they're talking about and gives you financial tips. And last but not least, make of thy dwelling a profitable investment. So you can use your home as an investment. If you work from home, you can use that as a tax write-off as well. And by remodeling your home and installing nicer, newer things, remodeling your kitchen, remodeling your bathroom, which in turn raises the value of that home. So when you decide to sell it, your value and your net worth goes up. Hopefully this video was informative to you guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll try to get to them and answer them to the best of my knowledge and my ability. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Drop a like if you enjoyed this content. Hit that subscribe button if you're new and you like content like this. Ring the bell notification so you never miss it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. I'm gone. Have a blessed rest of your day.